Ashanka.
Wetin happen again?
Ashanka.
I say wetin happen now?
Today na Wizkid birthday. First of all, happy birthday to the biggest goat in Africa. Any other goat na Christmas goat oh. I say happy birthday to the only man wey no dey beg for toto. If your mind no dey, your body suppose on dey dey. I say happy birthday to you, Wizkid, Ayo, Popsi, Balogun, Machala, Ashanka, Baba Bolu, Daddy Zion, Alhaji, Ibrahim, Wizkid, Ayo, Popsi. I say any other goat, na Christmas goat. If your mind no dey, your body suppose dey. I no wan hear say you post anybody today oh. Na only Wizkid I wan dey see.